Culinary medicine is an exciting and evolving field that merges the art of cooking with the science of nutrition, particularly in managing conditions like type 2 diabetes mellitus. It's not just about what you eat, but how you prepare and enjoy your meals. Research shows that the right culinary choices can significantly impact blood sugar control and overall health. When it comes to diets for type 2 diabetes, the Mediterranean diet stands out. Rich in whole grains, fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats, it not only helps regulate blood sugar levels, but also promotes heart health. Another great option is the DASH diet, which emphasizes low sodium and high potassium foods, helping to manage blood pressure alongside diabetes. Snacking can often be a tricky area for those managing diabetes. However, choosing the right snacks can actually support blood sugar control. Think about options like nuts, Greek yogurt, or veggie sticks with hummus. These snacks provide essential nutrients and keep you satisfied without causing spikes in blood sugar. Functional foods play a crucial role in culinary medicine. These are foods that offer health benefits beyond basic nutrition. For instance, foods rich in fiber, like legumes and whole grains, can help improve insulin sensitivity. Spices like cinnamon and turmeric have also shown promising effects on blood sugar levels. Incorporating these ingredients into your meals can make a significant difference. Meal timing is another essential aspect to consider. Research suggests that eating at consistent times can help regulate blood sugar levels. It's beneficial to space meals and snacks throughout the day to avoid large fluctuations in glucose levels. This means planning your meals and being mindful of when you eat can be just as important as what you eat. Preparation techniques matter too. Cooking methods like steaming, grilling, or baking can preserve nutrients and reduce unhealthy fats. Experimenting with herbs and spices instead of salt or sugar can enhance flavor without compromising health. The goal is to create meals that are not only nutritious, but also delicious and satisfying. Let's not forget the impact of functional ingredients. Foods like avocados, chia seeds, and fatty fish are packed with omega-3 fatty acids and other nutrients that can help reduce inflammation and improve metabolic health. These ingredients can easily be incorporated into your daily meals, making them both tasty and beneficial. In summary, culinary medicine offers a holistic approach to managing type 2 diabetes. By focusing on diet, meal timing, preparation techniques, and functional ingredients, you can take control of your health in a delicious way. Remember, it's all about making informed choices that fit your lifestyle and preferences. Embrace the power of food to nourish your body and support your health journey.
If you enjoy the content here, subscribing is the best way to stay connected and never miss an update. Your support helps me create even more amazing videos, and I want to hear from you. Leave a comment with your thoughts, questions, or just to say hi. Engaging with you makes this journey so much more rewarding. Plus, I love getting to know what you want to see next. So hit that subscribe button and let's keep the conversation going.